Whether you are building a new home or retrofitting an old home, Fletcher Insulation offers a range of products that will help you to create a more comfortable and energy efficient home. Pink Batts are made in Australia from up to 80% recycled glass, and they are non-combustible, which means they won't catch fire. Pink Batts maintain their firmness over many years and are backed by a Homeowner Lifetime Warranty. In 2014, Pink Batts introduced their new soft touch range, making them a lot less itchy than they used to be. The Pink Batts Acoustic Soundbreak products are some of our best sellers. They are perfect for the internal walls and between the floors of multi-level dwellings. Check out our other videos, visit our online store, or give us a call.